Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the Meet and joining on the device you intend to share from. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account so permissions match. Once in the meeting, check microphone and camera controls and close any private tabs or files. This prevents accidental exposure. Now, look for the Present or Share button at the bottom right. It's the control that starts the screen share workflow, and you're ready for the next step. You'll now pick which content to show: entire screen, a single window, or a Chrome tab. Choose entire screen when you need to switch apps. Use window for one app and Chrome tab for browser content, which also lets you share audio. Once you select Chrome tab, check the Share Audio checkbox if playback is needed. Click Share, then monitor the red border or prompt that confirms streaming. This ensures attendees see exactly what you intended. To finish, click Stop Presenting or the Present button again and return to participant view. That ends the broadcast. If someone says they can't hear audio, reshare the Chrome tab and make sure Share Audio is checked, because audio transfers only with that option. If the screen shows black or frozen, verify system screen capture permissions, refresh the tab, or rejoin the meeting. These steps solve most issues quickly so you can resume presenting without losing momentum.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.